All right, so we're going to continue our foray into division. We're going to look at problem 54. So I have 5, 3x minus 4 divided by 10 over 9x squared minus 16. So our first step is to factor everything. Or we can turn this into the multiplication before we factor. We just don't want to complete the multiplication. I'm going to turn it into the multiplication first, which puts this up here and the 10 downstairs. So my division has now become a multiplication, and I'll have to factor. 5 is already factored, 3x minus 4 is factored, and 10 is factored. So the only term we really have to deal with is this here. So I look at it, and it's a difference of squares. So I have 5 times 3x plus 4 times 3x minus 4 all over 10 times 3x minus 4. There's all my terms together. Now, the things that made our restrictions were this, this, and this. Remember, we had the BCDs are now our restrictions. So 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 4 both can equal 0. Right? 3x plus 4 gets repeated twice, or 3x minus 4 gets repeated twice in this. So we have two major restrictions. So solving that, I get x equals 4/3. Can equal 4/3. That's how the top one becomes. And the bottom one becomes x can equal negative 4/3. Of course, I can list this as x can equal plus or minus 4/3. Probably makes an easier way to list it. And why is the case? Well, if I were to put 4/3 into here, 3 times 4/3 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We can't have that because it hides in the denominator down here or over here. And if I put negative 4/3 in, let's see, negative 4/3 squared is going to give me a positive 16/3, or 16/9. 9 times 16/9 is 16, gives me a 0 here. So I'm just checking my restrictions are valid, and this is a good way to list the restrictions. So I have to get my terms that become 1 together here, and 5 goes into 10 twice, so I get 3x plus 4 over 2. And I have all my restrictions in place.